Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to delete multiple files in Google Drive. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to simply tap and open Google Drive application. As you can see, there are two files or two videos in my Google Drive. For me to delete the multiple files at the same time, you need to hold on a file for some time, tap in another file. At the top, you can see the icon of recycle bin, that is to delete your file. You tap on it. Here, are you sure want to delete the file and move it to the recycle bin? You tap and move to bin. As you can see, the both of my files has been deleted. This is how you can delete the multiple files in Google Drive. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to delete multiple files in Google Drive. Thank you.